Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to sync your Govee lights together. To add your devices, open the Govee Home app and tap the plus sign. Follow the instructions to add each of your lights. Once all your lights are added, tap the home icon at the bottom left to go to the main screen. Next, scroll down to the group section and tap the plus sign to create a new group. Choose the option for same model group or a similar type, and give your group a name that helps you remember which lights are included. Then select all the lights you want to sync together and save the group. Now your lights are grouped. Any change you make will affect all the lights in the group at the same time. You can turn them on or off, adjust the brightness, change the color, or select a preset scene if your lights support it. This way, you do not need to adjust each light individually. If your lights support Music Sync or Dream View features, you can explore those options too. If the lights do not sync, make sure they are all on the same Wi-Fi network or within Bluetooth range. Updating the app and firmware can also solve most issues. Thanks for watching.